For generations, we've known that true vitality comes from within. At Shabazz Holistic Health Services, we guide you back to your body's natural balance by honoring the wisdom of nature and holistic care. In today's world, toxins and stress challenge our health. That's why our approach is built on three pillars: elimination, detoxification, and education. We don't just treat symptoms, we address root causes and empower you to take control of your health. Our services include personalized consultations, specialized detox programs, and nutritional and lifestyle guidance designed to support deep healing and lasting energy. We also believe knowledge is power. Through our educational platforms, we help you stay informed and engaged in your own wellness journey.
Now is the time to invest in your well-being. Choose natural healing and lasting vitality. Contact Shabazz Holistic Health Services today and begin your journey to a healthier, balanced life.
This channel is a welcoming space for everyone, from doctors, surgeons, psychologists, nurses, health workers, lawyers, judges, pastors, bishops, regular people who want to take care of their own health naturally, especially those who seek a natural, holistic approaches to health challenges, or simply expanding their knowledge. Whether you are well or facing health issues, you are warmly invited to be part of our community. Because of love, we invite you to join us. Our seminars and conferences explore a range of chronic health challenges and how to deal with them by using natural remedies. Section 1 of our seminar. This section focuses on educating men about natural prostate care, including guidance for those diagnosed with prostate enlargement or cancer. It also addresses related health concerns such as kidney and liver problems, sexual dysfunction, diabetes, hypertension, fostering information, discussion, and support. Section 2, we warmly invite our esteemed sisters and mothers to join us in addressing critical health matters, including cold, breast cancer, diabetes, high blood pressure, fibroids, menopause issue, breast control pills and its side effects, all women health concerns. In a spirit of unity and care, we engage in open discussion to promote awareness and prevention and mutual support.